Red Bull Racing and Renault F1, with their drivers Valtteri Bottas, Max Verstappen, Alex Albon and Daniel Ricciardo. So, without further ado, let's get the action kicked off.
He was probably last in that, or...
F1 and Daniel Ricciardo! United States Grand Prix 2019, which will take place this weekend in Austin, we are bringing you a truly immersive festival. As you've already witnessed, some of the finest motor cars in all the land will be brought right here to Tinseltown as we literally shut down Hollywood Boulevard for each and every one of you. Welcome to LA and the party that is the F1 Hollywood Festival, presented by Heineken. Now, I want you to keep in mind throughout the day, what you're witnessing is something truly unique and special. It is with each and every one of you that will be making history here today at the F1 history level that you are going to bring. Let's say hello to Aston Martin Red Bull Racing and their driver, Alex Albon. Mercedes-AMG Petronas Motorsport, Valtteri Bottas! History, and we couldn't have done it without each and every one of you. So a big thank you before we continue here tonight. DC, how'd you feel about these last 2 hours here in Hollywood?
Now the 570S GT4 is a full competition specification GT4 car that's ready to race straight from the factory. The GT4 is a surprisingly accessible racer, and the GT4 series is a high-end international motorsports championship, open to anyone who lives and breathes competitive driving. And it's quite fun. Clear route into regular track racing. No matter what your skill level, enjoying himself so much on the boulevard, he doesn't want to pull it off. So, once again, McLaren GT4.
G24. I got a G28, nigga.
He's having to perform a three-point turn at the end of our donut area. We're not expecting that from our F1 cars later. Showing off that that GT4 comes with a reverse gear. Detailed connection to the road and exhilarating performance. Only a McLaren long-tail can deliver. 614 Coupe expands the iconic long-tail. Pretty quick, Nick, what do you think?
Pretty impressive way to get the stage started.
Again, he does his final flyby. And distilled concentrate of all that has made Aston Martin one of the most coveted brands in the automotive world. The shape is unmistakably Aston Martin, but stronger. From Formula One, they've branched out into automotive, and that McLaren car, particularly popular in the States.
Yes, we're no stranger to seeing those crews up and down Hollywood,
bad.
Sunset Boulevard, and all the friendly roads here. Usually they're stuck in traffic on the 405 or 10, so it's kind of nice to see this uncongested path of real estate here on Hollywood Boulevard today.
Yeah, this is a tight environment for the Formula One car. Looks like he's cruising to pick up rather than get somewhere in a hurry.
Now, as you speak of that long tail, let's talk about that, the dynamics of the spoiler and how important aerodynamics go in. F1 Hollywood Festival, presented by Heineken. And as you saw tonight, it's important to get home safely.